guys, and today we're gonna be, I don't know really how to, should I do it like this? Sure. So, be checking out some fidgets that I have that I don't really remember getting, so I'll be right back. I know down here's a mess, but don't worry. Oh! Okay. There's this. Whatever that is. Ow. I'll just put that right there. How? Some spaghetti-ish fidget. Another one of those. Oh, I know what to do. Another anymore. Yep. Here's one. The heck? Hold on. I don't know what I'm doing, but there's this thing. And then there's this thing. There's this stress ball that I made. And I know that I made it because look at it. It literally has sand in it and it's a balloon. So there's that. And then there's an infinity cube. Okay, so there's that. Nothing. Sure. I'm back. So there's this. It sticks. Oh, I'm pretty sure I know what these are. So like, bless you. So like it's like a puzzle. So look, hold on. So look. Like if it's like that, you have to solve it to make it to where it's back to normal. Hold on. There we go. So there's that, and then whatever this is, no. Basically the same thing where you have to get the metal balls into the oh, that was easy, into the circle. And there's this, that. I don't really like it because they're hard to like pop out. Like, you have to like open the thing up. Like, I don't know why they're so hard to pop out. Oh, dang. This isn't a fidget, but it's keychain. Ow. This. Whatever this is. Rubik's Cube. Oh my gosh. I just broke it. How did I do that? I just broke it. Oh, we're not going to talk about that. This real metal thing. Oh yeah, I forgot about these. So, and there's like this thing. Look. There's that. That's not really a fidget, but then there's this back. Hold on again. Okay, I'm back. This bouncy ball, that's an eyeball. It's not bouncing right now. Hold on. There's only a couple things left. There's this like bracelet thing. I used to be able to wear it, but now I can't really fit it on my hand. This thing. This fidget spinner. Whatever that glass thing is. Some more metal. Another pea thing. Not like pea, but like, you know, whatever that is. And I forgot what these are called. Do any of you guys remember what these are called? Hold on, let me open it up. Hold on, metal. But those are, and then this little thing. is it. Kind of. Well, that's all for today. Bye.